Cowlick. So we have our Coachella packages. Tickets. I got my last Tuesday, so it'll be a week tomorrow, and I still haven't opened it.
Got mine today. Finally, been chasing it for a week.
And she got it today, but she can only get it after she cleaned for me. Are you ready for Coachella?
Is the sky blue?
I don't know. I don't have eyes.
It's gonna be all premature and stick this on my window. She bought two. I don't know why she bought two.
I bought two. She only bought one.
I'm only worried about myself.
My cousin's back.
Hey, there's a book.
Coachella.
There's an actual book. Hey, what? We can have an actual planner.
She got one and I got one.
That is cool.
I got two. She got one.
Bridget, okay.
What is that?
These are the tickets.
Oh, for your pass?
You wear it, and then it has this little thing right here, and then you go up to the gate and you just put it by the skin and you go down. You don't take this off once you put it on.
Okay, by far my favorite thing.
How'd you get 2 tickets?
I paid money for 2 tickets.
Oh.
Okay, I'm only proud of do one of these.
It came with these little dino packs.